Windows gamers often have an issue with DirectX, whether it's installing it, reinstalling it, updating it. There's all types of issues. So the number one problem is getting DirectX 12 on your Windows PC. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of downloading it and installing it on a Windows 11 PC. So let's take a look. So here we are at the Windows 11 desktop. If your software is not being properly updated through Microsoft updates, what you can do is head over to the direct link I'm putting in the description below. It goes to my blog. I've provided 2 download links in here. Here it is right now. So this is the URL. Again, it'll be in the description below. If you scroll down a bit here, you'll have the download section. I've provided 2 links this time. Apparently it was hard to find, so I highlighted them in yellow. You have a Mega link and you have a Google Drive link. Whichever works for you, you can download it from either source. If you click on the Mega, it goes to the Mega website, and then you can just go ahead and download the file like that. Or if you want to click on the Google Drive one, you click on the Google Drive link. It takes you over, and there you go. You can just click on the download link, and it'll download it for you as well. So you get both of them downloaded from either source. So here is the downloaded files. You can see I downloaded both of them right now. And I'm just going to extract it because it's a zip file. So you can say extract all and download it to whichever folder you'd like. And there is the setup file. So let me just minimize this stuff to get it out of the way. And we can just double click on it and open it up. Say yes to the prompt if you get prompted. And then we get the user agreement. So you want to select yes, I accept to the user agreement and then click on next. And now it wants to install the useless Bing bar. I don't install it. It's up to you if you find it useful. I'm going to uncheck it and then click on next. It's going to go through the installation. It'll install the components and it'll let us know when it's completed. And there we go. It's done. So you can click on finish. And that's it. We've installed DirectX 12 on our Windows 11 computer. Now to just validate what we've done on Windows 11 and make sure it's installed, you want to just click on the start button, and inside the search, you're going to type in DXDIAG. So once you get that command, you can just click on it. And it's going to open up the DirectX diagnostic tool. Now, you might get prompted to download a digitally signed list. You can either accept that or not accept that. That's up to you. But if you look over here in the system information, down in this list, you can see that we have the DirectX version. And here it is. We have DirectX version 12 installed. That just confirms everything that we've done. Now, your Windows 11 system should automatically do this. You shouldn't have to actually go through these steps of downloading and installing it. However, if you're running into issues installing it or it's corrupted, this is just a good way to refresh it on your system. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments below. Again, I'm going to supply the links in the description as well if you need them. Subscribe to the channel if you're looking for other tutorials like this and you find this useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.